What's Brianna doing?
She's sucking on my chin. She's giving Grammy a hickey.
Not bad.
She's in seventh heaven.
No, stop.
All right.
Jonathan, hold on, Jonathan. Can I get back there? Timmy, watch out. Timmy, watch out. Timmy, watch out.
Oh God.
That's adorable. What do you think, Grammy?
Did you like that?
Do you like her sucking on you? Oh.
Okay. You want to go to Grandpa? Huh?
All right, come here. You gonna keep her?